Hi, in this video we will see how we can create an application shortcut on our desktop. There are many different ways you can create the application shortcut on our desktop, and from there you can run the application. Some of them are really complicated, some of them are really time consuming, and some of them are really easy to create the shortcut. I will show you the most easiest way to create the shortcut. First we need to click the Windows application, and then we have to choose the application which we want to create a shortcut. If we try to create a shortcut from here by selecting and dropping it on the desktop, it will not create. Even if you right click, then you will unable to see any of the option to create the shortcut on desktop. So this is not the proper way. What we need to do, after clicking this Windows menu, we will find on button is there, all apps. We just need to click here, it will be expanded and it will show us all the list of applications which are installed on our Windows. Now to create a shortcut, even if we right click here, we will not find any option. There is more button or more option. If we put our cursor over there, we will see some other options are there, but not the create the desktop shortcut option is there. So how can you do this thing? So we need to choose any of the application. Like for example, I'm going to choose media player, this application. I want to create the desktop shortcut. So I just need to left click and hold, don't release your cursor, and then drag and drop the desktop anywhere on this desktop and release the cursor, and you will see the shortcut is there. Same way, if you want to create another shortcut, we'll do the same way. Click the Windows menu or Windows button or Windows key of your keyboard, and then from here we have to choose all apps, and then we need to choose the application. For example, this time we are going to create a shortcut for calculator. Left click and then hold it, drag and drop anywhere on the desktop and release the cursor or click, and you will see that the desktop has the shortcut of that application, which is the calculator. Now if we try to open it very fastly, we can double click and the application will be open shortly. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily create a desktop shortcut for any of the application on our Windows 11 computer, and this approach is the most easiest and shortest way to create the shortcut on our Windows 11 computer. There are other options also, I'm not going to show those things. Hopefully this will help you to do the desired task. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question or issue, please put in the comment section.